hako nino muri presidence yari hano byamucanze yari kwikatisa gake gake ni first lady kumbe bakiro yari yinjiye my love uri hano Glenn
I'm sorry your party is having problems now because
ishyaka ryari rifite ibibazo kubera ari ngiye bibateje
Don't think like that. It's not
ntutekereze gutyo ntagara amakosa yawe
Of course I worry
ndahangayitse
about what's best for your candidacy and for your whole party
mpangayikishwe n'ishyaka ryawe ryose
and Allegra instead maybe she can still change her mind
ahari navugana na Allegra agahindura ibitekerezo bye
for me, my love.
uriya mwihorere
Ever since I saw the true colors of
ubwo nabonaga amabara ye nyayo uriya mugore Allegra Trinidad sinkimwifuza pe
to you so obvious.
kwiyamamazanya nawe
You look bad.
ari kugerageza gutuma ugaragara nabi
My love.
kandi wibuke
I will not allow Senator Trinidad or anybody
sinzemera Senator Trinidad cyangwa uri wese kugusuzugura
scared of them.
njye ntabwo mbatinya Glenn
thank you for that
urakoze rato
for always defending me
urakoze kubiteka undengera
promise I will vote
senzeranya njye nzaguha n'ijwi
Is your vote my only reward?
ijwi ryonyine se rirahagije shaka n'ikinduma aragishaka
there is that sufficient
ako ntabwo kaguhagije se areka ye
Where are the kids?
abana bari he
they're asleep
abana barasinziriye
Let's go.
kumbe hako nino ndagira ngo ure filime witonze
Thank you very much, Mr. President
murakoze cyane Mr. President
and Vice President Ezekiel.
ndetse na Vice President Ezekiel
Live. Everyone to come inside.
ndetse turashaka guha ikaze abantu bose muzi ndani tujye kurya ni President haro yaje gutangiza kumbe dore undi bahuze bakundana
Mr. President
Felicitation Mr.
Very
President
much.
nawe warakoze cyane avoka Ingrid
Project won't be possible.
iyo bitabaho iyi projet ntiyari gukunda
So now that you're done with the project,
ubwo projet yawe irangiye
to America.
ugiye gusubira muri Amerika
Yes, that's the plan.
yego niyo gahunda
But
ariko
project really made a huge impact on
iyi projet nakoze inaha yatumye rwose mpinduka
realized that
nabonye ko
I can still be of help.
numvishe
Help more
hari byinshi nafasha kugira ngo abantu bari mu bukene hano dukomeze tubafashe muri Philippines
love
sheri
I think Ingrid will be of great help
nyamara Ingrid twamwifashisha muri campaign yawe umva sasa guhubuka ntago azi ko yahoze akundana n'umugabo Ingrid twamwifashisha muri campaign yawe mukajya muba muri kumwe ntago azi ko yahoze akundana n'umugabo we iyo yaramwikundiye ni kumwe abakobwa bahura ngo akahita avuga ngo uyu ni twin wanjye
please
tumukoreshe muri campaign yawe
Be an honor to have you back in the team.
ni icyubahiro rwose kuba watwemera kuza muri timu yacu
Thank you, Mr. President.
urakoze Mr. President
Thank you, First Lady.
First Lady nawe urakoze kunsabira umwanya
Team Ingrid
ewana urakaza neza mu ikipe izamamaza perezida
Excuse me, Mr. President. The men and women are waiting.
umva abantu baradutegereje perezida tugire batari bagira
congratulations
Felicitation uyu nguyu yinjiye hano mu ikipe ya perezida aza kundana na perezida Glenn yeah Katurori
President Acosta held the groundbreaking ceremony for the new anti-poverty program building.
This is where we'll construct the building.
baje kureba ahantu perezida ku makuru ngo yatangije inyubako bagiye kuyubaka ngo ni inzu izakoreramo porogaramu yo kurwanya ubukene wa mugore uza akundana na perezida ari kubireba hano nguyu Ingrid
Ditson reporting on
arabireba byose nawe yari ahari
You made a mistake letting me be a part of
ukoze ikosa ryo kureka ngo nze dukorane perezida Glenn niko yatangiye kuvugira ku mutima
my heart.
wambabarije umutima
You ruined my life.
wanyangirije ubuzima mva amagambo y'umugore
I will also wreck everything.
niyo mpamvu nanjye ngiye kwangiza ibintu byose by'ingenzi kuri wowe uyu mugore wagarutse Ingrid ni umugome avoka Ingrid ni umu ex wa perezida gahunda afite ngo nuguhemukira perezida ibintu byose perezida akunda akabishyira hasi kandi perezida yamwize yatangiye kumukoresha buri muntu wese azatsinda nitsinda buri muturage wese azatsinda
It's so
kumwereka publicité yo kwiyamamaza ko abaperezida bagiye kwiyamamaza
message.
ariko yabona indi manza iyi publicité ni nziza pe
Chico.
I'm happy that you like my work, PGA.
ndagushimiye ko iyi publicité wayikunze
Very good political director.
ndabizi uri political director mwiza niwe muyobozi w'ibya politike
Deserves the credit is the one who conceptualized.
nyamara twakagombye gushimira umuntu wazanye igitekerezo cy'iyo publicité
Attorney Ingrid.
n'avoka Ingrid niwe wazanye icyo gitekerezo niwe uri inyuma ya campaign y'izo publicité kigo ryawe rutumye ngushimira atari wakoze akazi
Good job, attorney.
data wakoze avoka Ingrid baramushimira uyu mugore yazanywe no kurimbura perezida ngo amushyire hasi ngo uko bigeze gukundana mubabariza umutima mwirinde aba ex niyo mpamvu ngiye nta mu ex ngira
Yes, sir. Thank you.
hi twaba twarahuriye he n'umukobwa ngo muterete
Attorney Domingo.
I'm glad you like the ad.
nishimiye ko wakunze iriya publicité
On it.
n'icyubahiro
Thank you very much, attorney Ingrid.
avoka Ingrid nawe wakoze acaho Ingrid
Sir?
nyakubahwa
Last thing.
ikindi kintu cya nyuma
Were you able to talk to Melody about...
ese waba ubashije kuvugana na Melody ukamubwira ko njye nawe twigeze gukundana
Find time to tell her eventually.
oya ntabwo Melody ndambwira ko twakundanye njye nawe
From Melody.
ariko igihe kizagera mbimubwire kuko Melody n'ubundi nta kintu njya muhisha okay yarabyumvishe ko Melody atarabimenya ibyabo
Very admirable. But,
But what?
well,
sawa
if I were in Melody's shoes, I wouldn't want to know that my husband is working...
ndamutse nanjye ariko ndi Melody ntabwo nanezezwa no kumva ko umuntu wahoze akundana n'umugabo wanjye bari gukorana ashobora kubyumva nawe amenye ko njye nawe dukorana twarakura ariko icyiza gihari ni uko njye nawe ntacyo guhangayika gihari tutagikundana icyo cyiza gihari utacasigaye avoka ariko afite umujinya ari kuvuga ati wowe unyange none aba ex banga kuba mwaratandukanye ukagenda ukaba umuntu urenze none baze kuba waratandukanye n'umuntu ukagenda ukaba perezida w'igihugu uwo muntu arababara ahita avuga ati ubu ninjye wari kuba ndi perezida minsi iri imbere ndaje mbayobore aba ex baziyahura avuga ati rokitwa
Hello, Nicole?
Nicole umva banguka ku ishuri gitaraganya nonaha ari hano abana baramuhamagaye
What's the problem?
kuki uri kurira bigenze bite ni Nicole banguka hano fast ready yaje hano ku ishuri muri toilette
Nicole, what happened?
Nicole byagenze gute n'akana n'akana ku ishuri
Period while I was in class.
imihango yaje ndi mu ishuri
Classmates pointed
abanyeshuri twigana baranseka ntabwo ari byiza ko abana baseka abandi
You tell me where these classmates are. I need to...
mbwira ibyo byana ahantu biri njye kubikubita
Mommy,
wibikora mama
make fun of me more.
noneho byatuma banserereza kurusha
Sorry, Nicole, but I need to
wihangane Nicole
straight so they won't do it again.
ndumva ndakaye ngomba kubiyama batazongera kuguserereza
Your siblings are hurt or made fun of.
yatangira guseka
Why are you smiling?
uraseka ibiki
Because, Mommy, it's not very first lady.
ntabwo ari byo ko fast lady gatongana ubu ugiye gutongana n'abana uri fast lady koko urumva utari busebeje igihugu
I'm not worried about that.
umva ibyo ntabwo ari byo bimpangayikishije
It's my poison.
niyo nabura umwanya wanjye wa fast lady
Important thing is that my children
ubu
are...
ikintu cy'ingenzi kuri njye n'abana banjye kuko abana ntabwo ari abo yabyaye ni abana ba perezida ni abana b'umugabo we mu yandi magambo ariko ubwo nawe baba ari abi kuko nyine n'umutungo muba mwawuvanze
Okay, wait, here. Nicole, I'll just call Bevs, huh?
ngo umwana rero ngiye guhamagara Bevs sibyo yeah
Hello, Bevs?
Bevs
Just bring Nicole an extra set of her uniform.
umva hamagara Bevs muzana izindi uniforme twambika umwana izindi nyine zageze
Drink it slowly so that your tummy won't hurt. Thank you, Mommy. Oh,
yeah
believe it. My little sister is now a lady.
But you're still our baby sister, okay? So you can't have any crushes yet. Okay?
Yes, only I can have those.
Hey, you guys, stop teasing your baby sister about the
Katururi
age. That's enough. But Nicole, if you have any questions in that area, your sister and I will...
baje hakuno batangira kuganira n'abana be n'abana b'umugabo n'abana ba perezida nari nibagiwe
Aunt Lorraine said that you...
Auntie Lorraine yambwiye ngo ibirori bya Charity byari byabaye ngo bivuyemo kare
And we know that you're so
turabizi
busy with...
uri fast lady uba ufite akazi kenshi pe
We just want to say we're very thankful to you.
gusa turagushimira n'abana ba perezida
Very, very lucky to have you as
turi
our...
abanyamahirwe kuba tugufite
Of course,
n'utwana
do that. If
Yeah.
there's a hurricane going on or an
umva yaba inkubi y'umuyaga yaba imitingito yaba mbutiyaje nta kintu cyatuma ntaza kubareba munkeneye ni abana yatangiye ari umukozi w'ibitaho biza kugeraho
your mom for
ubu niwe mabuja
my priorities.
ubu ni mwe nshyira imbere kurusha ibindi byose yeah.
Come here.
muze hano
I miss this.
katorore
I just thought of something.
we hari ikintu ntekereje
What is it?
We'll play a game.
mureke dukine umukino
Play?
dukine
Wait here.
What game?
So mysterious.
Ta-da!
yeah.
Remember this?
kano murakibuka perezida yageze anasanga
Play.
pasiteri ari gukina n'abana be baba bishimye gake gake yeah.
Okay. No.
batangira gukina umukino ni perezida wamweretse yeah. perezida ari kubareba barishimye nta ribi
You look so funny. Here, you hold on to the lipstick.
All right, I have the lipstick.
Okay. Let's play on. I won't lose this time.
Okay.
No.
yeah.
I heard PGA invited attorney Ingrid Domingo to join his campaign team. Yessie, do you want to do a background check on her?
Why? PGA didn't give any order for that. And I think they've known each other for a long time. They seem very familiar.
ese uriya mugore uramuzi Ingrid nkeka ko yaba aziranye na perezida kuva kera
Before?
baba barakoranye se
Sure.
ntabwo mbizi
It seems like.
gusa nabonye
Press attorney Domingo
perezida mwizera sinzi ibindi batangiye kwibaza sasa bajepe kuri uriya mugore
already late.
PJ yacererwa ari hehe perezida vayo
Yes, sir.
perezida Jean
Morning.
mwaramutse ni abajepe
How's Melody?
Melody ameze ate
Lady is getting ready.
fast ari kwitegura
All right.
yeah.
Conrad, is there no goodbye kiss?
ese ntabwo uri buha akabizo sheri wawe
There?
kumbe hano hari abajepe babiri bakundana
Girlfriend get mad at you?
nunkurikira utahaye akabizo sheri wawe ashobora kukurakarira kumbe perezida aramenye ko bano bajepe be babiri bakundana bari kubaserereza abandi bajepe bahita bamukurikira yeah. yeah.
What is that, Grace?
wowe uraseka iki n'amapeti nkurusha hari uwari utangiye kwizata yeah.
Sir, I heard we're having a meeting later with PGA.
nagomba kugira inama na perezida uyu
Be
munsi
the one to attend.
uyu ni wa wundi witiriye publicité bakamushimira
The second wave of campaign.
baba ugomba gutegereza
But
wowe uri inyuma yanjye
Another time.
mu gihe cyose ufite icyo ukeneye mbega ugomba guca kuri uyu
Like to discuss with
hari poroje
PGA.
na strategy zo kwiyamamaza nashaka kuganiriza perezida
Recent debates.
Look,
Va.
Domingo. Even if PGA praised the campaign as it's made,
kuba warakoze publicité perezida akayemera ntibivuze ko ngomba kukureka ukisanzura kuri perezida agaze ko bahoze bakundana
or to the president,
nimba ushaka kugera kuri perezida uca kuri njye cyangwa ukabimbwira nkabimubwira
PGA,
we nta burenganzira ntabwo uragera ku rwego rwo kugenda uhita ugera kuri perezida
here.
baca hano kuri iyi tabure yanjye ukabimbwira nkabimugezaho
He's just in a bad mood.
umva buriya ari muri mudu mbi ntabwo yishimye bumuretse hey.
Mr. President,
Yes?
what is your reaction to the resolution of Senate?
none se ibyakozwe na senateri Valdez urabivugaho iki
Well,
byo guhindura itegeko nshinga
it's about
kugira ngo bemerere abakiri bato
that. If they believe there is a need to lower the age
ndakeka nimba itegeko nshinga ryemeye ko bagabanya imyaka yo kwiyamamariza kuba perezida ubwo yakwiyamamaza ntabwo nabyivangamo ubwo ni itegeko nshinga agomba gushyigikira
Already married. Does PGA still make your heart?
umva nubwo perezida mwashyingiranywe ariko uracyamureba tukabona wagira ngo uramukunda nta nubwo muziranye
Madam First Lady,
reka ngo hate ibibazo
can you say about those women who have
madamu first lady abagore bakunda umugabo wawe perezida wababwira iki
All I can say is,
icyo nababwira ni
sorry, young
mumbabarire
because PGA
kuko perezida ni umugabo wanjye
thing to make sure that no one was
ndetse nakora buri kimwe kugira ngo mutamunyiba mwadukobwa mwe. First lady n'abajepe nibyo babibereyemo bakira kumba abana baje hano bana bavuye ku ishuri.
How was your class, children?
Ku ishuri byagenze bite byari sawa?
Trigonometry exam earlier, but there was nothing I could do because I got the highest grade in class.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, since Nathan did so good, I will treat all of you before we go back to the palace. Let's see.
Okay, mbere ko tusubira mu ngoro ndabanza mbacisha ahantu njye kubagurira icyo kurya. Hari uwaje amuririra ku ishuri mu puranto. We mumurike aceho. Mureke muvugishe n'umugore waje amuririra mu puranto. Madame First Lady.
Ma'am, don't kneel down.
Haguruka wipfukama rwose.
Help you. Stand up, ma'am.
Hagarara madame.
What's the problem?
My daughter, Brenda Ladera,
Umukobwa wanjye akora muri Arkovia.
was sentenced to death.
Yitwa Brenda bamukatiye igihano cyo gupfa.
Her employer attempted to rape.
Ariko nta kosa yakoze.
It was resisted.
Yarabeshyewe kubera ko umukoresha yashatse kumufata ku ngufu. Arazira ko yamwangiye.
Nothing wrong to deserve death.
Murwane ku mukobwa wanjye nta kosa yakoze.
Only family I have.
Niwe muryango wonyine nsigaranye. Umukobwa wagiye gukora hanze nkuko ingwire yaragiye gukora hanze. Uje mubwira ati umwana wanjye yagiye gukora hanze mukoresha ashaka kumufata ku ngufu aramurwanya none bari kumushinja bari gushaka kumukatira rwo gupfa bamurenganya. Ngo yitwa Brenda. Umukecuru bahuye mugezeho ikibazo. Madamu ndagusabye. Yeah.
Love, did you hear about the OFW?
Wumvishe ibya OFW bari kuvugara?
Yes, I've already sent a letter to the president of Arkovia for...
Ahubwo urwandiko namaze kurwohereza perezida wa Arkovia kugira ngo twumve ko umukobwa bamubabarira ntakatirwe urwo gupfa. Wakoze.
Hope they will reply.
Reka nizere ko bari budusubize vuba. Perezida ese yandikira perezida w'icyo gihugu amubwire ko hari umukozi uri kurengana bakatirwa gupfa. Tugomba gushyigikira umukobwa Brenda.
To conduct a prayer vigil as support.
Ndetse nahamagaye ku ishuri aho uriya mugore umwana we uwo mugore akora umwana we bakatirwa gupfa kugira ngo bategure ijoro ryo kumusengera. Tunajye ku mbuga dukoresha hashtag ya Save Brenda. Wa mugore buri munsi uranyemeza.
To help Brenda, even if...
Wiyemeje gufasha uwo Brenda bakubwiye nubwo utanamuzi. Ufite umugore ufite umutima mwiza. Nanjye nahoze ndi umunyefilipino ukora hanze y'igihugu. Niyo mpamvu hari mbagirira impuhwe cyane.
Don't be mad at me, okay?
Ntukajye undakarira ariko.
No, when I was still in OFW.
Ubwo nanjye nakoraga muri OFW.
Like the government never really cared about us.
Twajyaga dutekereza ko guverinoma itatwitayeho.
Were never heard.
Twumvaga ko ibyifuzo byacu abayobozi batabiha agaciro.
I want to do my bit to help.
Niyo mpamvu ubwo nabaye First Lady ngomba kugerageza nkabafasha.
Simple way you're talking about. It can make a difference in the world.
Uburyo uri kubafashamo bishobora gutanga itandukaniro mu isi. Yeah. Glenn. Baby. Ruwaje hano. Marni. Uyu ni wa mugore twabonye avuka Ingrid. Umwe wavuze ngo perezida twarakundanye arambabaza ndashaka kuzamwicira ubuzima nanjye. Numvishe ngo bakwirukanye ku kazi. Kubera ko wari winjiriye VP Prado.
How many times do I have to repeat?
Nzakubwira inshuro zingana iki?
Only blackmailed by Luis Prado into
Luis Prado yanteye ubwoba kugira ngo mufashe. Ariko njye nakosa nakoze.
Whether you did something wrong
waba warakoze kusi cyo utararikoze.
It doesn't really matter.
Njye ntacyo bimbwiye.
I just heard that you're an excellent journalist.
Icyo numvishe nuko uri umunyamakuru mwiza ndetse uzi gukora ubushakashatsi ukazana ugaperereza.
Plus,
kirenzeho
a matching bonus.
Ufitiye n'agahimbazamusyi Ingrid Domingo.
The former.
Amakuru avuga ko wahoze uri Miss w'abagore beza nyine mu gihugu. Yewe ninjye.
And what do you want me to find out?
None nagira ngo njye kugushakira iki ko numva ari ikintu ushaka. Uyu hari icyo agiye ngo kumutuma umunyamakuru ajye kumuhigira ibimenyetso. Brenda Ladera umukobwa ukora hanze y'igihugu muri Arkovia ngo yashinjwe n'umukoresha we kugira ngo bamwice kuko yarashatse kumufata ku ngufu akanga. Gusa First Lady Melody
Oh, Melly really?
yateguye ikirori cyo kuba cyangwa se cyo twakwita nk'ijoro ryo gusengera bakatirwa gupfa.
Now she's praying for the whole.
Uriya mukobwa yajyaga dusengera mu rugo none yateguye ijoro ryo gusengera igihugu cyose.
We're doing something to help. I don't know about you.
Tugomba kugira icyo dukora tukamufasha.
You know, Impact, all of us.
Impact twese turabizi.
Thing or other to help.
Tugomba gufashanya nk'abanyefilipine.
Need to work hard, right?
Ikintu cya mbere ni ugukora cyane.
Earned money. Did we reach our quota?
Almost there. Well.
Barikora amafaranga amaze iminsi binjiza, umva dukeneye kwinjiza amafaranga menshi nagahagije.
Our target.
Right.
Bebe.
We're almost there.
Yeah.
Oh,
hari umukiriya waje. Karibuni.
Sit here.
Umukiriya vayo.
Careful.
Bebe.
Welcome to
Dore ukuntu umukiriya bamwakira na yombi ariko.
Eatery of the first.
Iyi ni resitora twise ngo ni fast lady. Resitora yabo bayise ngo fast lady. Ubonye umukiriya mushya.
This order for you, sir?
Banyohereje hano. Ubwo ni abandi bakiriya bakurangiye hano.
Word of mouth of our customers is
Bebe.
effective, right?
Umva hano dufite ibiryo biryoshye. Bya biryo uryo ugasohoka wikomba intoki.
Oh, wow.
Bebe mugire mu mwakirane yombi. Uri hano?
That's me, Ma'am Edna.
Madamu Edina reka nifashe.
You know my name?
Ni izina ryanjye urariza bamwita Edina.
Yes.
Bano baza kumviriza.
My name is Ramil.
Mazina yanjye bayita Ramil.
Edna.
Edina.
Sorry, my hand. Oh, sit down.
Thank you.
Icara.
Hang on. We saw you two holding hands. What was that supposed to mean?
You have a delicious mind. I just found it amusing because he knows my name.
And why do you know my mom's first name, mister? Are you a stalker? You're a stalker.
Umva izina rya mama wacu warimenye gute? Uri abantu bagenda ku bandi ugenda kuri mama wacu. Reka mbasobanurire. Mama wanyu ntabwo mugendaho.
Ramil Perez.
Banyita Ramil Paredes.
I was assigned here to be your security.
Ndi umusekirite wohereje ngo nze mbarinde. Ndi umujepe. Ndi umujepe waje kurinda. Urumva mama wa fast lady nimba afunguye resitora bagomba kohereza umujepe kugira ngo aharinde, ntabwo ubwo bukiri mama w'umuntu usanzwe.
He held your hand.
You're all so embarrassing. You have no wish.
Yagufashe mu kiganza ariko nawe cyane nawe uransebya. Yeah. Barakwereka rya joro ryo gusenga basengera Brenda ngo atazicirwa mu gihugu cy'amahanga. Iri joro
There is one innocent Filipina, an OFW.
hari inzira karengane y'umunyefilipine ubuzima bwe buri mu kangaratete.
And there's one loving
Uwo
mother.
mukobwa bashaka gukatirwa rwo gupfa afite mama w'umukunda.
See her again.
Ushobora kutazigera yongera kubona umukobwa we.
Daughter again.
Biragoye ko ashobora kubura umukobwa we ntazongere kumubona.
I'm asking you to join me in praying that
Ndagira ngo munyiyungeho dusenge.
Brenda Ladera's punishment,
Dusengere Brenda Ladera igihano cye cyo gupfa baze kugikuraho.
that mercy and forgiveness.
Dusenge kugira ngo imbabazi baze kuzimuha atahe.
Let's pray that she'll be able to come home alive.
Reka dusenge kugira ngo aze gutari muzima.
She can embrace her mother once again.
Yongera yambire mama we namara gutaha.
Because that's the dream of
Kizo
every
nizo ndoto z'abakozi bose muri Filipine bajya gukora mu bihugu by'amahanga.
night with their
Baba
loved
bavuga ati tujye gukora mu mahanga
and their families whole.
tuzabashe kugaruka mu rugo twongere duhure n'imiryango yacu. Rebe
So pray for our other fellow citizens,
ikindi dusengera abandi bene gihugu
also work as OFW.
bo hirya no hino nabo bakora mu bihugu bitari ibyabo.
Feel our love and prayers for them.
Bose nabo tubazirikane mu isengesho ry'uyu munsi. First lady,
I ask everyone here
ngiye kubasaba mwese muri hano
for a moment of silence.
dufate umunota umwe wo guceceka tubaha icyubahiro tunabasengere. Yeah. First lady dufite umutima mwiza ugira gutya gahuza abaturage dore mama w'umwana. Umwana barinda kumukatira rwo gupfa mu gihugu cy'amahanga. Bwarakeye. Yara makuru bamuzaniye. Niho umunyamakuru yatumye kumunekera.
Your work is very thorough, Marnie.
akazi kawe gakora neza Marnie. Umunyamakuru.
Done.
Koze neza.
If you have other plans against PGA,
nimba ufite indi mipango yo kurwanya perezida n'umugore we Melody, unkiremo.
I want to get back
ndashaka kubihoreraho
and my credibility.
Bibi.
If your work is always this thorough,
nimba ukora akazi kawe neza nk'uko wagakoze, tuzakorana tu. Yeah. Mukubita amafaranga ye. Umugore yaje yatangiye gushaka ibimenyetso.
For your next task.
Tangiye gushaka ibimenyetso kugira ngo arebe ukuntu yashyira perezida hasi n'umugore we Melody.
Glad you called. Is there a problem? You have...
Nishimiye ko bagahera ikibazo. Hari icyo ukeneye?
So you think...
Ase tuguhamagara tugeze icyo dukenera gusa.
Yes, mother. Most of the time.
Yego nyine tumuhamagara kenshi dufite ikintu dukeneye nawe wikwibara gusa.
We saw you on TV.
Twakubonye kuri televiziyo.
For the prayer vigil you held.
Wari wateguye ijoro ryo gusengera abantu bakora hanze y'igihugu ni sawa. Tubabare Melody. Twabuze uko dusiga resitora yonyine.
Since we introduced combo meals.
Kuva twazana ibiryo twagiye duterateranya. Dusigaye tugira abakiriya benshi. Umva ibyo biryo ntabwo ari ibiryo bisanzwe. Ibyo ni ibiryo bidasanzwe duteguramo ku buryo abantu bavuga bati kweri.
Gosh, that's nothing, Melody.
Ntako rero.
Come in because of our mother's amazing cooking.
Umva abakiriya benshi basigaye baza kubera ko mama wazi guteka cyane.
They held a prayer vigil.
Niyo mpamvu tutigeze tuza gusengana namwe. Ariko twagusengeye. Okay, mumuvugishe njye none munabinkuremo.
We don't get to talk to Melody all.
Okay, ngaye ndamuvugisha.
Come on, mother. We don't get to do this all.
Something to tell her.
Melody.
Speech yesterday was so inspiring.
Ijambo wavuze ejo ryari ijambo rirenze.
Markovia hears it very soon.
Gosh, I hope so too, Mother. I may not be related to Brenda Ladera by blood, but I still want her to be safe.
Nubwo Brenda nta sano mfitanye nawe ariko ndifuza ko yabatekanye.
Mother, why are you crying?
Kubera icyo uri kurira. Ndibuka ko hari igihe yabaga ari njye nawe gusa. None twitanaho none uri kwita no ku bandi bantu batuye igihugu utanazi. Imana niyo yankize muri uyu mwanya ndimo wa First Lady ahari kugira ngo mfashe abandi bantu benshi. Aya mahirwe sinzayangiza. Mu gihe cyose mbishoboye nzabikomeza. Rebe. Umaze guhinduka First Lady wanyaye kabisa. Oya aracyari njye ntabwo nahindutse.
Melody, I want to ask for your help.
Melody nanjye wamaye ubufasha. Nyine ngaho mbwira ushaka ngufasha iki? Nitwa Impact. Wangurije 150 nkijya kwiyishyurira gym abonnement nkajya nikorera gym. Ushaka kujya muri gym? Umva ibiryo byose bisigaye muri restaurant wowe birya.
I'm going to the gym.
Ndashaka nata kujya muri gym. Kuyaza ikinure.
Melody?
Melody.
I'm going to let you go now.
Nata tugiye kugukupa.
We'll have so
Ufite akazi kenshi turabizi.
We'll just pray that the OFW gets saved.
Turagusengera kugira ngo Brenda aze gutabarwa.
So too, Mother. I know how much it hurts to lose a beloved.
Ndabizi ko bimera kubura umuntu muri famiye.
I hope that won't happen to Ma'am Lydia.
Reka twizere ko Miss Lydia bitari buze kumubaho.
Bye bye, Melody.
Bye bye. Yeah.
Sir, I already talked to our ambassador in Norkovia. He said that President Yildashev already received your letter.
Navuganye na ambasaderi abwira ko Perezida Yuradev yakiriye ubutumwa bwawe.
Received any feedback?
Ariko ntago aradusubiza. Ni perezida w'igihugu kigomba kwica Brenda. Yabariye scene.
I know, sir. But I already instructed our ambassador here to keep an open line so that we
nabwiye ambasaderi kugira ngo agumishe umurongo ku buryo perezida dusubije twese twahita tubimenya ku kanya.
Interrupt. But it seems like we have a new problem.
Dufite ikibazo gishyashya.
What is it?
Niki?
There are reports on social media.
Hari raporo ziri ku mbuga nkoranyambaga zigaragaza ko wari ukuriye kampeni yawe yo kwiyamamaza ari we Jigo, avoka Jigo, yakoze icyaha cyo guhohotera igitsina gore.
19 years old. Sir, there are screenshots of video calls.
Ngo yaterese akana k'imyaka 19, hari screenshot z'amavideo uburyo baganiragamo aho atereta ku kana agakoresha ibintu bijyanye n'imibonano iki n'iki. Bino bintu bishobora kwica kwiyamamaza kwawe.
I am not concerned.
njye ntabwo mpangayikishijwe no kwiyamamaza kwanjye.
He has to be penalized. In fact,
agomba guhanwa.
Of course, sir. Of course.
cyane cyane.
But in that case,
wari uhagarariye kampeyini.
Political director, sir.
ariko dukeneye undi muntu umusimbura wahita uhagararira kampeyini yawe. umva.
Ringing, sir.
telefone yarasoreye.
Hey, Teddy.
Teddy.
Have you heard about what Chico did?
wumvishe ibyo Chico yakoze?
Yes, Mr. President.
nabyumvishe Mr. President.
Want him out.
ndagira ngo mumwirukane.
Anyone you can recommend as his
iyo
replacement?
ushaka undi muntu umusimbura nona.
Yes, I do.
wamwungirije yahita amusimbura. wari umwungirije ni Ingrid Domingo niwe wahita umusimbura. wari umwungirije ni Ingrid, umwe wahoze ari umu ex we niwe ugiye gukurira kampeyini yo kwiyamamaza. ibaza umuntu ushaka kukurangiza mwahoze mukundana ngo ni ex wawe, kuba ari we bashinze ngo ahagararire kampeyini yawe kwiyamamaza kwawe nka perezida. sinzi ko atayikubita hasi kugira ngo ubure amajwi. kuko uriya mugore yavuze ngo ngomba perezida kumurangiza. barakwereka Ingrid yahise aza kureba perezida igitaraganya mu gitondo.
Teddy said that it's an urgent matter.
bambwiye ngo ni ikibazo cyihutirwa nze nkurebe. karibuni.
So, by this time you probably already heard about what happened to attorney.
ndakeka wumvishe ibyabaye kuri avoka Gana.
Yes.
yego.
Heard about it on social media.
nabibonye ku mbuga nkoranyambaga no mu nzira nzaro barabimbwira.
Attorney Ghana had that side to
ntabwo
him.
nzi ko avoka Gana yakora ibyo bintu pe.
I'm going to let the integrated bar decide on his conduct.
iriya myitwarire ntabwo twayihanganira.
Suitable punishment is not the reason why.
gusa igihano turi umuhe ntabwo aricyo gitumye nguhamagara.
What is it, Mr. President?
none se ni ibiki Mr. President? va kwibaraguza.
You come here because I wanted to ask you something.
naguhamagaye kuzana kuko ari ibibazo nshaka kubaza.
Are you willing to take a higher position in my campaign?
ese witeguye gufata umwanya wa mbere uri hejuru muri kampeyini yanjye
Of attorney Ganan.
ugasimbura avoka Ganan? muri make afashe kampeyini ye yose yishyira mu biganza by'uyu mugore muri kampeyini. Mr. President,
I admire that you can look beyond our past.
Yes.
And actually see what I can do for you and for your campaign team.
ndaza kureba icyo nakora n'icyo nakorera kampeyini yawe. Okay.
However,
gusa nanone
I would like to respectfully decline.
mu byubahiro byawe uwo mwanya wari umpaye ndawanze. uwo mwanya wari umpaye ndawanze wo kuyobora kampeyini yawe.
Update you if there are any changes. Okay. Bye.
kombe bano bakiri hano.
Hi, Izzy.
Melody yaje hano.
Lady.
Is Glenn?
The first lady.
I have something to tell him.
Glenn arimo imbere hari ikintu nshaka kumubwira.
Conrad, who's in the meeting with PGA?
harya nindi uri kumwe na PGA?
Attorney Domingo. About
ni
the
avoka Domingo.
Ghana.
Huh? Ingrid is here?
Ingrid Domingo arimo indani. uyu aramukunda ntago azi ko ari umuntu mubi.
Well, Mr. President, I just got
Mr. President,
and I
nibwo
don't
nyiza mu ikipe yawe.
think that you want to promote me because we were old friends. I don't want them to look at me
Well,
that
no,
way.
no.
urabizi gerayo twose turi inshuti, sinshaka abantu bazajya bambona bakavuga ati impamvu wanzamuye mu nzego ngo mbe umuyobozi wa kampeyini yawe nuko twakundanye tuziranye.
Also can take over that position.
nta wundi muntu nabonye washobora kuyobora iriya pozisiyo nshaka kugushyiramo.
You're an excellent political strategist.
njye ndabizi uri umuhanga mu kuzana strategy za politike.
Accept the job.
weho emera akazi nkagwaye kuko gashoboye ntago ari uko hari ikindi cyabayeho.
Yes, sir. I will accept.
ndabyemeye none akazi arakemeye yabanje kwibaraguza yigeze nk'atagashaka ariko aka kazi ntabwo yakanga kuko agomba kurangiza perezida.
Mine. We're old friends. It's nothing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Go see them.
All right, madame.
Oh. Yesy. I just want to find out if there's any updates about the OFW in Arkovia.
ndashaka kumenya niba nta makuru yavuye muri Arkovia cya gihugu.
Everything.
Thank you, Yesy.
Yeah.
No problem.
ntugire ikibazo. Glenn.
Melody.
Melody umugabo yahise aza hano bari bamuguyemo.
Attorney Ingrid, hello.
Hi. Guess what? PGA just promoted me to be his political director.
umva banzamuye ngiye kuba political director.
Well, I'm not surprised by this promotion. You're really good at your job. You deserve it.
umva akazi uri umuhanga mu kugakora kandi uragakwiriye.
We're the ones who should be
Katurori.
you, Attorney Ingrid. because you'll be a big help to Glenn. And we know that you're very reliable, that we can trust you. I'm sure that Glenn here is very happy that you're here. Right?
ndetse turabizi neza ko buno Glenn nawe yishimiye ko buri hano.
Don't worry, madam. I will never take your trust in me for granted. I'll do my best to prove you made the right decision.
Thank you.
Are you out of your mind, Glenn? Why did you appoint her as your political director?
Mama sasa kibimenye yarababaye gute wafata umu ex ukamugira political director wawe. Mama arabizi ko umuntu mwakundanye abagore babaziranye. Tufata umugore mwakundanye ukamuzana mu kazi kawe ngo mukorane. Mama ntago tugikundana ariko. Bino bintu uri gukora ntago ngiye mbyizeye pe.
Do I need to remind you that she could ruin your political?
Wibutse kuri ya mugore ashobora kukwangiriza kariyeri yawe burundu urumva ko abagore babaziranye urafata umuntu mwakundanye ukamuzana ngo mukorane. Warasaze.
I believe she really meant that.
Genda mwizeye ko nta kibazo afite. Ndetse yamaze no kunyikuramo. Amwikwikuramo kabagore tuziranye. Umva kariyeri ye nawe ni ingenzi kuri we kurusha uko yakwita ku byanjye. Ni uburenganzira bwawe Glenn guhakaza abo ushaka ariko ngenda agiye. Abagore we ntago bazi. Mama waba babazi nawe abari we. Byuzi ko nyarumva abagore bari kuvuga ngo abagore turaziranye ngo turi babi nkumirwa. Hatese ko nawe uri umugore ukaburi kubivuga. Ntago urumva abagore bari kubivuga.
Oh gosh.
Hako buri abavuga muri Philippines kuko abagore bo mu Rwanda n'abana beza. Ngiye mbabona. Ahubwo abagabo ni mwe babi.
He's trusting a person.
Wabyizera ko perezida yizeye umuntu nkanjye kandi ari ugiye kumurimbura umva umugore ari mu nama bakoze inama.
Boss, I'm just curious.
Ariko mfite amatsiko.
Personally, I have intense hate for PGA because he ruined my career.
Nje nanga perezida kuko yangije akazi kanjye. Afatanije na Melody.
But you?
Weho biti we na perezida mwapfuye iki?
Why do you want to get
back? Ushaka kwihorera kuri perezida umeze nk'ushaka kumushyira hasi.
What did he do to
Perezida yagukoze iki? Hehe.
Glenn is my ex-boyfriend.
Glenn ni ex wanjye twaze dukundana. Ex ni expired.
So much.
Perezida naramukunze.
But he chose someone else.
Arangije ahita mu ndi muntu.
Fast.
Byari bibi. Narababaye cyane.
Everything got ruined.
Yangije buri kimwe.
My dreams.
Indoto zanjye. Yaramemukiye. Ayangiriza imipangu nari mufite imipangu yo kuzabana na warayangiza.
That's why I will have my revenge.
Niyo mpamvu ngomba kwihorera.
Everything.
Nzakora buri kimwe muri imbure buri abantu bararakaye biriya bintu mugenda mukundana n'abantu mukabavo mukajya handi. Abantu bararakaye n'abagoma ahita avuga ati none nzanamurangiza. Niyo mpamvu.
Your hate comes from deep love.
Umujinya wawe nawe ni mwinshi.
This is the perfect time, Marnie.
Iki nicyo gihe cyiza cyo kumurimbura.
Just when he's happy.
Muri cya gihe perezida yumva afite umugore yishimye ngo ari gukunda.
Just when.
Hahandi indoto ze ziri mu biganza bye ari kumva none agiye gutorerwa indi manda none akaba umugabo w'igitangaza nkahita murimbura. Ibintu bye byari biryoshye. Sibyo rata kubabaza umuntu yabonaga ubuzima bwe bugiye kugenda neza ukahita umukubitira mu gafu.
Cheers again.
Tumwemo.
Cheers.
Yeah. Hakunino.
Sir?
Yakobo.
Anything else you need, sir?
Conrad, I want you to do something for me.
Bari ikintu ngira ngo nkorere musore.
Very discreet about it.
Kandi ubigire ibanga.
I want you to find out about Attorney Domingo's last job.
Ndagira ngo ugende umenye akazi avoka Domingo yakoraga.
Want a background check.
Ndetse umukoreho n'iperereza umenye ni muntu ki. Yarasigaye akora ibiki sasa perezida nawe ntago ari ikigoryi. Ashyizeho umujipe ngo ajye kuneka bamenye avoka Domingo ni muntu ki.
I'm very grateful to have you by my side.
Ndetse umenye ko nshima Imana kuba ngo ufite uruhande rwanjye rwose. Baby. Yeah.
Ma'am.
Record.
We're doing everything we can to plead our case.
turi gukora uko dushoboye ngo ibintu bigende neza.
To help pardon and release your daughter.
uyu ni wa mugore umukobwa we turaza kumenya uko ameze muri kiriya gihugu nimba bari mukatira urwo gupfa cyangwa bari mubabarire byibura bakamugabanyiriza igihano.
What are the chances that they will pardon?
gusa amahirwe yo kuba mubabarira ngana gute? Madamu Lydia reka nkubwize ukuri.
In all of Arkovia City,
mu mateka ya kiriya gihugu bita Arkovia,
no one has been given
nta muntu urahabwa imbabazi ngo ntiyicwe yakatiwe urwo gupfa. turaza kugufasha uko dushoboye ariko ntacyo tukwijeje.
Madame First Lady.
Madamu First Lady.
My daughter. She says that.
umukobwa wanjye hano ararengana.
Lose her.
sinshaka kumubura.
I don't want to die.
sinshaka kwapfa. yeah.
Begging you.
ndagusabye. Madame.
Madam Lydia, you have to be...
Madamu Lydia.
Begging you.
Yeah.
Ma'am Lydia, don't worry. You're not alone.
ntugire ikibazo ntabwo uri wenyine. Melody ari hano araza kukuba hafi.
We'll do everything.
turakora buri kimwe tugufashe. urakoze.
Very much.
yeah. Baby. kumbe hako ni no ku ishuri.
Nina.
Nina.
Isn't that the girl, your potential rival?
karasi ka gakobwa gahora kiteretesha sheri wawe Jonas kamwirukaho.
Jimaki?
ceceka atakumva. ni ku ishuri abana ba perezida aragakobwa kaje. Jonas.
Have you finally decided on...
wamaze guhitamo se kuza muri cya kirori?
You should just agree to run as
nashaka kuza kwiyamamariza kuba unyungirije kugira ngo tuyoborane abanyeshuri duwaye na duwaye.
What will my work be if I ever win?
harya n'insinda nzakora iki?
Basically, you will work hand in hand.
nyine uzaba ukorana nanjye kuri poroje zose zo ku ishuri zafasha abanyeshuri. Max.
I actually have...
ariko njye mfite ibitekerezo
we can promote student...
ndumva uburenganzira bw'abantu nibwo twashyira imbere n'imibereho myiza yabo muri campus.
I'm sure Jonas has plenty of ideas too.
umva Jonas afite ibitekerezo by'ibyawe ntabwo ari byo turi bugendereho.
Bold and brave for the council.
dukeneye umuntu nkawe raturenze utinyuka ufite umutima ukomeye.
So you post on your blog.
nka bya bintu ujya upostinga ku mbuga nkoranyambaga zawe ibyo tugukeneyemo.
So what do you say?
urabitekerezaho iki?
Don't mind me.
njye nongereho ikibazo uyu ni umusore Jonas uteretana n'umukobwa wa perezida.
Come on, Jonas.
Jonas fata icyemezo.
Just to make a name for yourself.
nawe ugomba kubaka izina ryawe.
Just as the first...
apana abantu bose kujya bakubona bakavuga ngo dore sheri ngo umukobwa wa perezida akaba ariko bakubona nawe wakora ibyawe bakakumenya aho kugira ngo bakubone mu ishusho ngo uterete umukobwa wa perezida bigatuma ari byo bituma umenyekana gusa mu kigo.
Jonas.
yego rata musore dore ngarajya gukora n'agakobwa kamukunda agasiga umukobwa wa perezida hano. rebe. hasigaye isaha imwe uwitwa Brenda Ladera agakatira urwo gupfa. na n'ubu nta tangazo rirava kuri perezida Yuradashevu wa gusa perezida Glenn n'umugore bari bakomeje kugaragaza ko Brenda arengana. ese iminota nitugendana biragenda gute? hasigaye isaha imwe ngo yicwe. hano byarangiye. agomba kwicwa. icyo gihano cyakazwe. ndumva mbabajwe n'uriya mugore ubuze umwana we. twizere ko basi batari buze kubira n'ukuntu bakwica bakagushyira kuri televiziyo bakakunyongera kuri televiziyo. Glenn nta kindi kintu twakora.
We have exhausted all our diplomatic.
umva inzira zose za diplomasi twazikoresheje zarangiye nta kindi twakora.
He has the last say.
perezida w'icyo gihugu kigiye kwicirwamo umuntu niwe wafata icyemezo akababarira umuntu. kuko buriya perezida afite uburenganzira bwa n'itegeko nshinga bwo kukubabarira. umva perezida y'urwo shefu araguhamagaye perezida wa cya gihugu. Hello.
Yes sir.
yego nyakubahwa.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know.
urakoze kubumenyesheje.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Glenn, what did he say?
avuze ngo iki?
About the OFW.
ku byerekeranye na OFW. Brenda Ladera.
President Yuradashev.
perezida Yuradashev we yabonye ijambo rayivuze ubwo mwari muri gusengera uriya mukobwa ga. kubw'iyo mpamvu ngo ntabwo bakimwishe perezida aramubabariye barishimye.
Thank you.
arababariwe katorore. Yeah.
Sir, congratulations, sir.
Perezida nawe yarishimye, bararutsinze, arababariwe. Wibutse izi filime zisanga kuri Star Times. Kano gaseri niho tugiye kujya tukareba, bakita Fast Lady. Gusa perezida yajwemo, perezida yaziwe, gusa ntago abizi. Wibutsa gura ifatabuguzi ryawe, buri kwezi tujye tuba turi kumwe kuri Ganza TV.
Tingin lamang intindihan, ako raw ay nahihiya.